Hey guys, so in this video, I'll be showing you how you can make up to $300 a day with Temu. So it's very easy and very simple to do, but I'll be showing you guys how you can do it in this video. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So if you haven't already created an account with Temu, you can go ahead and create one with your email or a Google account or Facebook account. Once you're set and ready and you've done that already, you're going to want to make sure that you head over to the U page. Once you do click it, it should look something just like this. Now, head down to the bottom of the page and click on Earn Credits and Free Gifts. Once you do that, you go ahead and click it, make your way down. The third and fourth option is what you're going to want to look for. Now, preferably the fourth option is way better, so just go ahead and click Redeem Cash here and Get Now. And once you do that, you should be able to see that it should look just like this. Now, you can see here at the bottom of the page, or you can see here that our goal here is $140. Now, once we complete this, we will get $50 to our PayPal. Now, if you rinse and repeat and redo your method here, as inviting people, you can earn up to $300 a day, right? Now, you can see here we have level 1, level 2, level 3, up to level 6 rewards. Now, if you get to level 6 rewards, you get up to $300 PayPal, right? So it's very, very, very easy to do. All you have to do is invite people. If you have a huge social media following, whatever it may be, you can invite those people very easily, right? And it's not so hard nowadays to actually grow an account. You can grow a TikTok account and just share this and make a lot of money, right? So basically, you can see here that this 50, 100, 150, 320, $620 can be made here. So if you can go through these all in a day, you can make up to $600 as well. So all you have to do is click refer one friend. You can go ahead and copy, send to TikTok, Instagram, whatever it may be, copy the link, and then refer your friends. You can also use phones as well that haven't created or haven't had an account created. So this could be like your very old iPhone from like 12 years ago, or where it may be, as long as Temu is accessible and can be used on the phone. So basically, that's how you go ahead and do it. It's very easy and simple to make $300 a day on Temu. So with that being said, have a nice day. I will see you guys until next time.